This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 124RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, water heater, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 124RL is 7,664 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.